Hey y'all, if you want to know how I got these results, then stay tuned for more.
You're gonna find yourself somewhere, somehow.
Okay, so as the title states, we're doing the rice water conditioning. I'm starting with a bowl of rice that I soaked overnight. I'm going to start collecting it into my spray bottle so I can have my rice water on one side and then replace the water and boil. So right here you see me using the funnel and a sieve, and I strain the rice water of the rice so that I can, as I said, preserve it for later. Pardon me for the weird angle. This is my first time recording from that angle, so it took a while to figure out, but yeah, please pardon. So yeah, I'm going to add 3 of my favorite oils. Tea tree oil, that's why I just poured just a few drops. Sweet almond, rose hip oil, this one is rose hip oil, that one to a few drops. And then I added sweet almond oil to it. And there's this mixture I did with coconut oil as the base oil that's in my other dispenser bottle. I add a few of that to I didn't add a few of that to I thought I did. Anyway, yeah, so yeah, shake it up, and just put it on the side. And then we go on to preparing the rice water conditioner. My goodness. So I was trying to do the trick that the food people do, but yeah, whatever. Yeah, so basically if you're African Ghanaian, it's just doing rice water porridge. That is the best description I can give it. It's rice water porridge that you're just going to blend into a smoothie. Yeah, so that's what you see me doing here. At this point I had to take off the lid because rice water, it'll just be pouring onto the fire and stuff. Guys, I think this is the most satisfying part of the whole video, seeing the thing boil. It's nice to watch. But at this point the water had dried up. It wasn't at the consistency or the softness that I wanted, so I added a little more water, allowed it to boil, and then when it was okay, I took it off the fire. So after cooling off, you realize that my porridge was a little bit too thick. Okay, I think I let it sit for too long, and so it became too thick. I had to add a little water to it. Here I am adding some olive oil, and then I have this argan oil. Yeah, this one that I added a few pumps to. Yeah, so as I said, this is the first time doing this ever, even this rice water thing. So I made mistakes. Okay, so this is me adding a little bit of my black castor oil and the coconut oil mixture I was telling you about in the beginning. So if you realize that mixture was just too thick, and science should have told me, auntie, this will not blend, but I don't know, sometimes these things, they don't click. I don't know why I didn't click, guys, but it just didn't. So you would see that, okay, I took off the top so you could see the way the thing is vibrated. It wasn't moving. I had to mix it, add some water, add some more water, mix. Oh my goodness, the manipulation was just a little too much. But yeah, eventually I got it right. So I'm just going to keep quiet for now, make you enjoy the rest of the video. I think if there's anything points necessary, I'll just voice over again. Enjoy. smooth. Oh my goodness. Look at it. I'll freeze it and see how well it stays. And there you have it. Oh, believe that this is mostly rice. Alright guys, this brings us to the end of the video. Be sure to like, let's interact in the comment section, subscribe and share, and until the next video, be sure to spread some love.